What is a code editor? Explained in simple words. What does code editor mean? A code editor is a software tool that allows programmers to write, edit, and manage source code efficiently. It is specifically designed for coding, unlike regular text editors like Notepad. In simple words, code editor equals software to write and manage code easily. It means a code editor helps programmers write code with syntax highlighting, organize code files and projects, detect errors and bugs quickly, auto-complete code and snippets, integrate with tools like compilers and version control. So, code editor equals programmer's workspace for writing code. Example idea. Imagine writing a Python program. Def greet, name, print, f, hello, name, quote, greet, Alice. A code editor can highlight keywords like def and print. It can auto-complete function names. It can help find syntax errors before running the program. Key features of a code editor. Syntax highlighting, colors keywords and symbols for readability. Code completion, suggests commands, functions, or variables. Error detection, highlights syntax errors or warnings. File management, organizes multiple files and projects. Extensions and plugins, add extra functionality, e.g., Git integration, search and replace, quickly find and edit code. Popular code editors. Some widely used code editors include Visual Studio Code, VS Code, Sublime Text, Atom, Notepad++, IntelliJ IDEA, also an IDE. Some editors are lightweight, while others are integrated with additional tools. Why code editors matter. Code editors help developers checkmark write code faster and efficiently. Checkmark avoid errors while coding. Checkmark navigate large projects easily. Checkmark integrate with tools like compilers, debuggers, and version control. They are essential for modern software development. Advantages of a code editor. Checkmark makes coding easier and faster. Checkmark reduces syntax errors. Checkmark improves readability with colors and formatting. Checkmark supports multiple languages and extensions. Checkmark integrates with version control systems like Git. Disadvantages. Crossmark. Some editors require setup or learning curve. Crossmark. Not all editors provide debugging or compilation. Crossmark. Heavy editors may consume more system resources. Real-life analogy. A code editor is like a specialized writing desk desktop computer pencil. You have pens, markers, and notes. Syntax highlighting, auto-complete. You have a calendar and organizer. File, project management. You can quickly check spelling and grammar. Error detection. It makes writing code easier, faster, and more organized. Important point. A code editor is not a compiler or interpreter. It helps you write and manage code. You still need a compiler or interpreter to run the code. Think of it as a powerful notebook for programmers. Simple definition. Code editor equals software designed for writing, editing, and managing source code efficiently. Final summary. A code editor. Checkmark highlights syntax for readability. Checkmark suggests code completions. Checkmark detects errors early. Checkmark organizes code files and projects. Checkmark integrates with tools for faster development. Without a code editor, crossmark writing code would be slow and error-prone. With a code editor, checkmark coding becomes faster, organized, and efficient. Code editors are an essential tool for every programmer.